Hi friends, welcome to Sentra Hospital. I am Dr. Rohit Modi, an eye surgeon and a retina specialist. Today we are going to discuss a common eye problem known as cataract. And there are times when a lot of patients come running to me and say, "Doc, do I have cataract?" Well, there's nothing to be scared or alarmed about cataract. So, what is cataract? Well, let's understand the eye first. The human eye is one of the most beautiful and accurate cameras with high precision which the Almighty has created. Your lens system basically focuses the light from the front to the back portion of the eye, which captures the images, processes it, and sends the signal to the brain for the final image formation. Now, the lens is located over here inside the eye. If this lens gets opacified, that is cataract. And this opacification can cause blurry vision, difficulty in night, difficulty while driving, especially when you're driving at night and you see a bright light coming in front, you can get disturbances, glares, halos, and also a frequent change in numbers. If you're facing any of these symptoms, do come for a visit. Now, let's understand what are the causes of cataract. The first and the foremost and the most common one is age. Apart from age, diabetic patients are more likely to get cataract. Also, patients who have got high numbers, especially the ones who have got high minus numbers, that is myopia. If somebody has sustained an eye injury or long sun exposures can also cause cataract, or if somebody has used steroid drops for a very long time. Now, well, if any of these things are there in you, then your eye doctor will call you for an examination. The examination is very simple. You are put on a slit lamp and examined, and within 3 to 5 minutes, a cataract can be diagnosed and staged. Cataract itself is not alarming. The surgery is very simple with the today's advancements. The surgical time average takes around 20 minutes and a patient is recovering within 7 to 10 days post-surgery. Some patients do recover faster, some patients may take a bit longer. So, if you have any of these symptoms which I have discussed, please consult your eye doctor. Thank you.